In this video, I show you how to fix Google Dialer app not working or not opening problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Phone by Google, tap on Phone by Google, up to date your Phone by Google app, then go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Phone app, tap on Phone, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete, tap on Force Stop, OK, tap on Permission, allow all permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google Dialer app. Now I hope that this method fix phone app not opening, not working problem.